Preparing complex layouts for fast web delivery using slice-based asset extraction. Define slices around interface components, buttons, banners, icons, based on how developers will assemble them. Naming conventions matter. Each slice should communicate purpose, not position. Open the legacy export dialog and assign formats individually. SVG for vectors, PNG for transparency, JPEG for photographic blocks. Control compression per slice instead of globally. This prevents quality loss where it matters most. Preview file weights in real time. Performance is part of design. A beautiful hero image that adds 2 seconds to load time is a business liability. Export everything in one pass, producing a structured asset folder ready for handoff.